Hello again. Let's talk about ongoing pool care and maintenance. Your pool's like any other part of your home. Weekly attention to some basic maintenance items will extend the life of your pool and increase its operating efficiency. Check and adjust your chemicals once a week. We recommend a routine dose of a clarifier, an algicide, and a metal chelator. Brush the walls and floor at least once a week, and if algae is present, brush daily. Skim the surface and vacuum the floor of the pool at least once a week. This will help keep debris from clogging the filters and pumps. Be sure to brush the walls, floor, and tile regularly to dislodge any dirt and algae from the walls. Check the skimmers and pump baskets a couple times per week and empty out any debris. Backwash your DE or sand filter or clean your cartridge filter as needed. An elevated pressure gauge reading means you need to clean your filter. Check your pump for equipment proper operation and leaks on a monthly basis. If you have any questions, give our office a call at 512-873-8565. We look forward to helping you.